Hello everybody, today we starting stretching hips with me, so let's start. Up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and stand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change side. 1, now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sit down. Legs strong and fit on yourself. 1, up, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. Take your hands on your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching this video. Follow me